nothing happened. I can like this knee mat, torch or light, and the like this pick. This pick we need to put here, little bit angle. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Ford Fiesta. Unfortunately, his bonnet won't open. See, when I pull from here, I can feel the tension there, but nothing happened. So I need a like this knee mat, torch or light, and the like this pick. Right, see, it's whoop. Very easy. Yeah, I'll show you what I did. This pick we need to put here, little bit angle, and put it inside here. Once it inside, you can see this latch inside. You can see when you do turn anti-clockwise, this latch will go to the other side and it will open. See, that's the way you need to do. Then after that you need to press this one, then it will open. Now we'll see what happened to this latch. Right, I'm going to lock the latch. I need to bring this flat screwdriver. No. Right, it's locked. I feeling this one too much stretch. I'm going to operate from the inside and have a look what happened to the lock. See, it's bit stretch, then it won't open. That's why the problem. If it pull another tiny bit, this lock will open. Have a look. See, tiny bit. Basically, this cable stretch too much. That's why the problem. The temporary, the cable. What I did, I took the wire tight or cable tight. Just put it like that and make the little bit shorter for the cable. Right, after that I'm going to cut here. I done the temporary amendment and we'll see. Yeah, it's locked. I'm going to open from inside. Right, it's temporary solution worked. However, customer need a new cable. Yeah, if you have like this problem, you know what to do.